Hello. Are you going to climb the stairs today? Who's watching you? Nobody's watching the baby. Here she comes. Here she comes. Such a good climber. Let's see how you do it. Let's see.
Bebe, don't stand like that.
Bah.
You see, she stood up without putting her hands up.
Going up the stairs.
Right.
Don't get distracted.
Don't get distracted. Turn around. Keep on climbing.
12 more to go. Do your exercising.
You should reach the bottom. Okay, now climbing down.
Are you thirsty after your climbing?
Climbing down.
I don't know if she knows that one yet.
You're gonna do with your hand down. There you go, and then go down like this.
She likes the quick way, when you just pick her up.
Look. Let's go. Look how mommy is going down. No.
She doesn't like to be told what to do. Okay, you can go play.
Jump. Woo,
Just...
jumping. Now let's start the baby. There you go. You have to work. You can learn how to go down.
Good job stair climbing.
You're
We'll
gonna...
keep practicing. Okay, bye-bye.